Go ahead and get those propellers started. Just gonna go up. Sun's starting to go down. You still see the hills in the background. Go ahead and take a look. Just flip it around real quick. Just get a whole scene of what's going on in the valley. There you go. Look at that sunset. Look at that sunset, huh? You like that? Well, that's Cali life for you right there. Right there. There's a big look at Bob Sanders, so we know we're at our starting point. Go ahead and drop it back down. And that should be it. See if we get some sound out of this. Otherwise, we're going to be doing night shots. Don't want to do those. Light on the subject. And that's about it. Thank you very much.